Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to claim the Lion airdrop. First, open the wallet address that you registered to receive Lion. Visit the link https://claim.athene.network. Scroll down and select Connect Wallet. Choose Wrong Network to check if you are on the correct ERC20 network. Then, select Check Eligibility to confirm if your wallet address is registered for the Lion airdrop. If the information is correct, click Claim Airdrop. Read through the information and click Claim Airdrop. Select Add Lion to Wallet to add Lion to your wallet. That's it. You've successfully claimed the Lion airdrop to your wallet. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Wishing you all the best.